Welcome to Lamb's Interior Design, where your dream home becomes a reality. From concept to completion, we offer a seamless renovation experience tailored to your needs. Experience quality craftsmanship, transparency, and unparalleled dedication with Lamb's Interior Design. Let's transform your space into something extraordinary. Visit us at www.LamsID.com and start your journey with Lamb's Interior Design today.
From your living space, simply transform your home with grace. Too sleek, can't look away. It's all around. Get good, go what to do. All say it goes to around. Without you, I think, know what to do.
Experience quality craftsmanship, transparency, and unparalleled dedication with Lamb's Interior Design. Please call us now and start your journey with Lamb's Interior Design.